In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Microsoft Planner Plan ID. The Plan ID is a unique identifier for a specific plan in Microsoft Planner. You will usually need it when you are connecting Planner to another tool, building an automation, or referencing a plan inside a script or integration. The good news is that Microsoft Planner already shows the Plan ID in the web address, so you just need to know where to look. Start by opening Microsoft Planner in your web browser and go to the plan you want. In this example, you will navigate to the plan called Project Management. You can reach it from your Planner hub, from a pinned plan, or from your recent plans list. The important part is that you fully open the plan so you can see the plan interface, like the board view with buckets and tasks. Once you are inside the Project Management plan, click into the address bar at the very top of your browser. This is where the current page URL is displayed. When you click in the address bar, the full link should become highlighted. If it does not highlight automatically, you can drag across it to select it. Now look closely at that URL. The plan ID is the long string of letters and numbers that appears immediately after either plan/ or plan ID =. Depending on how Planner opened the plan, you might see the plan ID in one of those two formats. For example, if the URL contains plan/ followed by a long code, that long code is the plan ID. If the URL contains plan ID =, followed by a long code, that code is the plan ID. Be careful to copy only the ID itself, not the extra slashes or additional parameters that come after it. With the URL still highlighted, copy it so you can paste it somewhere safe temporarily, like a note, and then copy just the plan ID portion you need. A helpful tip is to double-check that you did not accidentally include trailing characters like view, board, or anything after an ampersand, because those are not part of the plan ID. Once you have that string saved, you are ready to use it wherever your workflow requires. And that is all there is to it.